everybody, and welcome to one of our home vlogs. Alright, so today we are going to be opening up a package.
Yep. What is this from?
I subscribe to the Disney's new subscription, the Backstage collection, which you can either have 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription. As of right now, I did the 3-month subscription to see how it goes. And they offer a t-shirt. There's collectible, like, what are they called? Behind the scenes cards they're called, so like different pictures from like the archives and stuff. And tin, I guess every 6 months, the tin that it's in right here will be new, I think. So I'll get 2 of the same, I think, the first 2, then, or actually, no, all 3 I should get them.
Probably all the same if you got a 3-month.
Yeah, I thought they were supposed to like be different every month, but I believe every couple months they change. And once the canister is done, I think they retire it or something. So yes, a new one gets released every 6 months, and then they retire it once they sell out. So,
little backstory here too.
Oh yeah.
So anyway, as most people, I don't know if they know this yet from our family, this one likes to buy things and then wait for me to find them in the mail. Oh yeah, I bought that. Oh, good to know.
Because it's fun, isn't it fun getting stuff in the mail?
It is fun. So this one is one I was totally okay with. So it was funny because all of a sudden I'm like, hey, what is this? She's like, oh, by the way.
Don't worry about it.
By the way, I subscribed to this thing, and I'm like, oh, okay, good to know.
Yeah.
Good to know. So, yeah.
So
that's a little backstory as to how this came to be. But I am also super excited to see what is in this thing, because it's a lot of fun to get this stuff from Disney, and it's a surprise, right?
Yeah, it's a surprise.
Everything's a surprise. We don't know what we're getting.
Correct, because yeah, like I said, it's a new subscription they just started.
Yeah.
So this is the very first one that just got released in October, which is the very first subscription ever. So this is awesome that we finally got something, or actually subscribed to something brand new, and it's getting the first release.
Yep.
So
super excited.
Yeah, but that being said, I don't know if you guys don't know prices. For a 3-month plan, which we did, it's $119.97 plus like tax and all that stuff. The 6-month plan is $227.94, and then the 1-year plan is $419.88. And you can go to just the Disney store website, and then under the subscriptions, they got a whole bunch of other ones. They got a princess one there and some other subscription boxes or whatever they're called. But
if you're going by it on a month-to-month basis, the 3-month is the most expensive monthly wise. It's $39.99, and then the yearly plan is the cheapest at $34.99. So if you're thinking month by month,
yep, you save obviously more. The more months you go, the more you save.
Right. So we just didn't want to do that one-time payment of $419.88.
Yeah, a little rough. Yeah, I mean the $100 was okay, but it also I think auto renews after the 3rd month, so we can either decline it if we aren't happy and not get the next 3 months,
right? Or
we could just let it auto renew and go from there.
Yeah. So and this is going to be huge because I'm curious as to what it's in there. You know?
I know, right?
So if we like month 1. Great, let's just keep going.
Well, we get them for 3 months, so we got November, December. Right. So we'll get those. But then we will do opening each month of our boxes. So we'll try to add this to our channel. Yeah,
we'll sneak this in. And this is our first vlog, by the way, in the new Disney room. The Disney room is not completely done. That's why we're like right here.
Right, we get the walls painted. We got this nice new desk we're at, but the backdrop, which is going to be, is over there. My big shelf isn't done yet. I have a lot of work to do.
I really want to put a green screen behind the desk because we could have cool Disney stuff behind us.
We could, or you could maybe a really cool Tiki Room poster for back here.
Or a Tiki Room poster for back there.
Or a big spaceship bird.
Whichever.
We'll find something. All right, let's get to it. The suspense is killing me.
I know, right? We really dragged that out.
We did. I've been waiting a couple days for that. We gotta try to find time when we could actually vlog it.
Yeah.
Alright,
what is item 1?
Item 1
is the only item.
The Disney Brothers Studios canister.
I like that. It's got, who's all on there?
It's like an original drawings, I think, of Mickey.
Yeah. It says Disney Backstage.
Yep, because it's the Backstage collection. Disney Brothers Studios, established in 1923. Walt Disney Comics.
That's cool. I like this canister.
Ooh, yeah, and it says right here, Disney Backstage Collection Release 1.
That's
so
awesome.
I'm assuming canisters are going to have the number released. We will show a closer up shot of this later.
Yeah.
I'll add something in. All right. Yee! I'm so excited.
Right? This is huge.
See if I can get it off.
I was kind of hoping snakes would come flying out. Like,
Oh my gosh, I
that
would have
so
freaked.
fun.
I would have been hilarious.
Well
with
played,
that.
Disney. Well played.
Well played. Ooh.
Oh, what is that?
That is the t-shirt. When you do go through and sign up for this, it does ask you what size shirt you want, and then you put it in. But they said every month you can go back in and switch the size. So say this month I want the t-shirt, I put my size in. Say next month he wants the t-shirt, we'll go in and change his size to his size.
It's called a moo-moo for me.
Stop. So this is this month's t-shirt. Whoops, it's upside down. I'm sorry.
Oh, I like that though. That is so cool.
Ah.
Disney Brothers Studios. That is awesome. Here, let me hold it for you. You can see it.
Oh wow.
That
And-
is really cool.
And the best part is in here, it says animation can explain whatever the mind of a man can conceive. Walt Disney. Let's get a Walt Disney quote pulled down just a little bit.
That is so cool.
There's a Walt Disney quote inside the collar.
This is a really cool shirt, guys. I mean, we're legit. It's
What's this? And then a little patch.
yep. 19.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
46.49. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to find out what that means. I wonder about the address maybe at Burbank?
Yeah,
The original studio?
maybe. It looks like just because we're baseball fans, it looks like a home plate.
It does like a home plate.
So maybe that's something for Missouri and St. Louis or Museum, wherever, Marcion. I don't know what it's called.
Marceline.
Marceline, thank you.
So yeah, this is a really cool shirt. I like
Yeah,
that.
super cool shirt. That's awesome. It's soft too.
Yeah, very soft.
Really cool shirt.
All right, item 1.
I think honestly, this shirt kind of makes it worth it because you'd be paying $30-some odd
For
a
a shirt.
anyway. And
Yeah.
then you got this canister to go along.
This
and
canister is really cool.
it is a super cool.
It'd be a fun thing to display up there.
It's going in there for
Yeah.
sure.
All right, let's see what else we get this month. Disney Bros Studio, release number 1. So there's a little story in the back. It says it's 1923, and two brothers, Walt and Roy, established Disney Brothers Studios out of a small office on Kingswell Avenue in Hollywood, California. There is a dedicated desk for Roy, but not Walt. And the office is so tiny, the bathroom often doubles as a dark room. Your exclusive t-shirt features letterhead artwork that graced all the correspondence from this young animations company
Destined.
to create great things. So this has something to do with like their little letterhead, hey?
Yeah, something like that.
That's awesome.
And the letterhead would also be Disney.
Oh, maybe
Brothers
that.
Studios, so
Oh, I'm sorry, maybe
all,
that's
no,
that.
all that. I think it's something has to do with all
Yeah,
that.
because your exclusive t-shirt features letterhead artwork that graced all correspondence. So I wonder if it is just a Disney Brothers lettering, and I gotta figure out this patches.
Right. If anyone has an idea before
What?
we Google it,
Yeah, what 4649 means
yep,
in the Disney Brothers world.
4649. What does that mean?
Yeah.
Let
Anybody
us
knows,
know
let
in
us
the
know.
comments.
Curious.
We're gonna let you guys let us know before we Google it. So
Yeah. So,
let us know.
all right, and the last thing.
Last thing, here we go.
Ooh, a Disney Brothers Studio pin.
Oh, this is cool.
Is that like a window or is that like a frame cell?
Like a TV or like a frame saw. I think it's a frame
Frame
saw.
cell. Like back in the old days when they had to like put the frame down and like put their artwork in. That's really cool.
That's the
Disney
pin that
Brothers,
we
like,
got.
Yeah, I remember like a window, like with their logo or something with the
Yeah.
frame cell.
Super cool though.
Very,
Super
very cool.
So
I like that.
yeah, right.
Fun. Very, very, very fun.
So again, we got the canister, which is the #1 release.
Yep. A little backstory.
Almost like a coaster-ish kind of thing.
Yeah.
I don't want to use it as a coaster.
No,
but
yeah, definitely not thick enough
No.
for a coaster. But and then the t-shirt. So yeah, there's supposed to be like every month. There's new releases, so we don't know what we're gonna get every month. Again, obviously, hence the surprise. Here's my favorite part: is this little like quote inside the collar.
Yep. That is super, super cool. I mean, this is a really nice shirt. And again, there's that base with the numbers on it and Disney Brothers Studio shirt.
Yeah.
So super cool.
Very, very.
Really like it.
I'm very excited. I'm glad we tested this out.
Yeah.
This is the Backstage collection. Like I said, yeah, release #1. I'm really excited that we finally did a subscription and got the first release.
Mm-hmm. That was very cool.
Yeah, very, very cool. That's the release 1 of the Backstage collection.
Yeah.
Very,
Really.
very happy with it.
Very happy. I mean, you look at what you got for the price
Right, because like
And just to have this stuff is cool.
yeah, a shirt alone is usually anywhere from what $25 to $35 at Disney. The pins are anywhere from like $9 to $14, I think.
Yeah, I mean it's such a cool pin. On the back, it's got the Disney symbol. It says Backstage, everything.
Yeah.
So very cool pin.
Very cool.
Really, I don't know. That's like a special pin right there.
It is. Like I said, I love the little story because it's the history again. Because I love the history.
Yep.
And it's got a little history of like how they started it and how like the conditions they worked in and whatnot. So it's awesome.
This was I'm really glad that she did it. This is a really cool first opening.
Yeah. So let us know what you guys think.
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys also subscribe to the Backstage, and let us know your thoughts on the items that you got.
Definitely.
Because I'm assuming this is all in the first limited, because I see it's in the next box.
Right. I'm actually super excited for that now. So this was for October.
Yeah.
November. Does it come the first week, second week?
Usually you can modify your order up until I think the second week of the month, and then they ship it out after that.
Okay. Gotcha.
So you get it like closer to the end of the month or middle of the month.
Yeah. Okay.
So, but yeah, I'll go on. I'll check to see if I have to modify anything or if when they're gonna ship it out. Because they usually give you kind of a heads up. And you get the email saying your item shipped and stuff, so you can kind of obviously track it and whatnot.
Yeah, definitely. And I'm good with it. I don't know. It was such a surprise. This was awesome.
It's cool. It's exciting because you don't know what you're gonna get. I said these canisters are amazing. I really like this, and I love that they tell you which number it is, like which release.
Which release? Yeah.
This is number 1. I love it. And we'll have a number 2 and number 3, and then obviously we like it.
Yeah.
We'll keep it going, and then we'll have another vlog we'll throw on every month of our Disney Backstage subscription box.
And honestly, I kind of think of it too. Like we can keep this going forever, right? We can have canister for release how long, and we don't have to be in Disney to get something Disney, which is awesome. Like we don't have to go to the store either. It's here, and then if our kids want to keep this going, and the grandkids, just keep it going, and we'll see how many canister releases we get, pins, whatever else it is that we get. It's going to be awesome.
We're gonna need a bigger room.
That's what scares me. This room was enough.
Yeah.
So just wait till you kind of see what it turns out like. And plus, we got big plans.
Yeah, I'm excited to get this room done. I want to order some artwork, and I think that's holding me up. Cause I want to obviously decorate and then finish up the shelving. But anyway, that'd be another vlog we got going.
But this one was for the box,
the Backstage.
So very cool.
Very good. So yeah, with that being said, thank the Phoenicians.
And Bennett.
Okay, and Bennett.
Hi, Bennett.
that's a very good sign. That he's your tootsie wootsy in a good